In this video, I'm going to walk through a couple of things in Gigantum and basically do a little demo of how things work. Alright, so Gigantum is this open source platform for creating and collaborating, and I'm going to give you a quick demo. You can also follow along if you go to gigantum.com and you can receive a demo as well. So you click on demo, log in, and then you just toggle over to sign up if you have not logged in before, and then you go ahead and put in your email and all your other information in there. Click agree to sign up and click sign up. Alright, now that you've signed in, you'll see this view for projects. You'll notice these little yellow circles that when you click on them, if you have a question, it basically tells you what this is. So when you click here, this button will load the project listing page. Datasets, view dataset listing page. Cloud allows you to switch between local and cloud project listings. Both projects you have created and projects that have been shared with you will be visible. Now let's go ahead and go to projects. Now, there's something here called My First Project for Story by Data, which is the name I used to sign up. And this is a demo project to introduce Gigantum Client. We can click on My First Project, and you have here an overview, which is a brief overview of the project. We have some activity. This is the place where we can see the list of activities that have taken place. Now, when we scroll down, you'll see a history of updates that were made by various participants, including myself. You know, when there's code executed and so forth. We can go to the environment to view modified packages and for Docker instructions. It shows you all the packages that are being used. You can go to the code and to view and modify the code files. You can view and modify input data and output data. Now, another thing we can do here is we can actually launch the notebook, or we can launch it as Jupyter Lab. I'm going to go ahead and launch the notebook. This is the demo analysis. And here we can see the code. We imported NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Cycler, and it basically explains what this little project is. And you can play with the code. I think this is a great introduction to Gigantum, where you can go ahead and play with Jupyter Labs and make a few edits, then go back into your project view and look at the activity to see what you've been changing. So we can go ahead and make an update right now into the demo analysis. Let's say that the edit we wanted to make is income per person for the top 10 countries, and we wanted to write out 10 in all caps. We can go ahead and do that, run this code. And it went, we were able to update the chart. But now when we go back into My First Project, it says at 1:54 p.m., which is the time right now, Story by Data executed a cell in the notebook and generated a result. And you can see what the update was, and now we can see the new result listed here. All right, I think this is a really cool company, and if you're curious to know what Gigantum can do for you, they have a bunch of demo videos on YouTube where you can follow them. And you can also go ahead and get the demo for yourself. I highly encourage that. It's free to use, to play with, so go ahead and check it out. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this quick demo, and if you want to follow Gigantum, you can do that on their LinkedIn company page, or you can do it on Twitter at Gigantum Science.